It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation Edition. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Elevation Edition. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with an auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, wood trim, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel, we have trailer mode. By turning that dial to the right, we have various drive modes appear on the dash, such as normal, sport, and off-road. Two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials with the park brake below. Rubber floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, and a cloth interior. Next I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the leather wrapped heated steering wheel. On the left side are the cruise control buttons and the heated steering wheel button. And to the right we have the audio controls and voice commands. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead, we have OnStar and some interior light buttons. This is GMC's infotainment center equipped with Apple Carplay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with our trailering app, and it doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. And to the right here, we have hitch guidance. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, auto stop start, the tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, hill descent control, the trailer brake, some USB ports and power plug-in. To the left here is our engine push start button. Apply pressure to the brake while holding the button down to start the truck. At the front of the Elevation Edition, we have the painted grille surround and bumper, black tow hooks, fog lights, 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood, rear tinted windows. The door handles have keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. Remote start, and as we make our way to the back, you'll notice this truck comes with the X31 Offroad Package. It's got all-terrain tires, off-road suspension, hill descent control, a 2-speed transfer case, skid plates, dual exhaust, and a high-capacity air filter. At the back here we have the CornerStep bumper. Those corner steps are found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use our key fob, push that button twice to drop the tailgate down. It also has GMC's MultiPro tailgate, so by pushing 2 additional buttons, we can drop that tailgate step down with ease. The box of the truck has 12 cargo hooks, as well as LED box lighting. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows, wood trim, door storage with a cup holder, and a door speaker. On the backs of both front seats, we've got cloth seat pockets. The back of our center console has 2 cup holders, the rear fans, some USB ports and power plug-in. Rubber floor mats on the floor. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. We have behind the seat storage found behind either one of those rear seats, as well as under seat storage by lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation Edition, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.